Looking for some cool gadgets to buy? We've got you covered. Prepare to be fascinated as we delve into the realm of innovative tech, showcasing 10 must-have gadgets that are sure to pique your interest. From cutting-edge home automation devices to game-changing personal tech, we've curated a list that promises to impress. Whether you're a tech connoisseur or simply someone who appreciates the convenience and thrill of new technology, there's something intriguing for everyone. So, without further ado, let's dive into the list. Starting with number 10, we have the XYZ smartwatch. This is not your ordinary timepiece. It's an all-in-one fitness companion, designed to track your health metrics like heart rate, steps, and sleep patterns. The XYZ smartwatch is also your personal assistant, keeping you updated with your emails, calls, and messages right on your wrist. Coming in at number 9 is the ABC wireless charger. Say goodbye to tangled wires and lost charging cables. This sleek, compact gadget supports fast charging for multiple devices simultaneously, and its unique, energy-efficient design makes it a must-have for the modern tech lover. At number 8, we have the DF portable projector. Imagine having a movie theater right in your pocket. This gadget allows you to project your favorite films, presentations, or even video games onto any surface. Its high-resolution output and compact size make it a great addition to your tech arsenal. Moving on to the next set of intriguing gadgets. At number 7, imagine the possibilities with the ABC drone. This isn't your average drone. With its exceptional flight stability, 360-degree camera, and long-lasting battery life, the ABC drone takes aerial photography to a new level. Whether you're an aspiring filmmaker or just someone who loves capturing breathtaking views, this drone is a must-have. And at number 5, we've got the DEF wireless earbuds. With their noise-canceling feature and seamless connectivity, these earbuds promise an unmatched audio experience. Plus, their compact design makes them perfect for on-the-go usage. But the list gets even more exciting. Moving on to our third gadget, the GHI Smart Doorbell. This isn't just a doorbell, it's a revolution in home security. It combines the functionality of a traditional doorbell with advanced features like motion detection and real-time video, making your home safer than ever before. Next up at number 2, we have the JKL Portable Solar Generator. This device is a testament to the advancements in renewable energy technology. With this portable generator, you can power your devices anywhere under the sun, quite literally. It's compact, efficient, and eco-friendly, making it a perfect companion for the modern nomad. And now, for the moment you've all been waiting for. And finally, at number 1, we have the GHI Home Automation System. This is a game-changer, folks. Imagine having the power to control your home appliances, lighting, and even security systems, all with a single touch or voice command. It's not just about convenience, it's about enhancing your lifestyle, saving energy, and gaining peace of mind. What sets the GHI Home Automation System apart is its seamless integration and user-friendly interface. So there you have it, 10 incredibly useful gadgets that are worth checking out. That wraps up our countdown of the top 10 useful gadgets you should buy now. We've journeyed through the realms of cutting-edge tech, from the smallest portable chargers to innovative home automation devices. Each gadget we've explored offers a unique blend of practicality and advanced technology, designed to make your life more efficient, more exciting, or simply more fun. We've highlighted how these tools can enhance your daily routine, provide solutions to common problems, and even open up new avenues for creativity and exploration. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which of these gadgets sparked your interest? Do you already own one, or perhaps you're now considering adding it to your tech arsenal? Remember to hit that like button if you found this video insightful, and share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts who might find it useful. And of course, if you haven't already, click the subscribe button and join us as we continue to explore the fascinating world of technology. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting tech content. Until next time, stay tech savvy.
Drones. Experience cutting-edge technology, seamless functionality, and style in one. Stay connected, stay ahead with the best in the market.